Okay, let's talk about functions. Here's an example. Y equals 2x. See, a lot of the times you're going to see functions like y equals 3x, y equals 4x, y equals blah, 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 right? Seems simple. Well, they are. They're super simple. But here's another way to look at a function. These are the exact same thing. So what would define a function? Well, a function is a relation between inputs and outputs. I know, that seems very confusing. Basically, it means y is whatever you plug in for x. If you give x the value of 1, then y would equal 2. Watch, you just plug a value in for x. That's the function. Think of it like input-output. If I put 2 in for x, then the output, which is y, would be 4. Remember, x is input and y is output. This is very important to memorize. There is a rule for functions to be functions, though. You can have multiple of the same output, but you cannot have multiple of the same input. Why though? Well, that doesn't matter yet. You don't need to know it. You just need to know it for whenever a teacher gives you a problem like this.